like...
That's how you do. This is how you do. Swim.
Okay, let Karen show us her moves.
Do you remember this one? Where you like...
Oh, that's pretty good. Did you see that, Dee Dee? Can you do it? Karen, show her again.
You just want me to do that again.
Can you do that?
I can't do it on a carpet. Like, I'd be able to spin around.
Watch me go.
Okay, do it. All right, show us another one. She comes by it honestly.
Ride the dog.
What's
I so did not see that.
this?
What?
I didn't
Miss
see that.
Elliot. Sneak it on your bum.
You don't have cardboard.
Get over here.
This is on my head.
Oh,
Do it again.
do it again. Do it again.
Do it again. Okay, now.
Move your butt. I'm gonna probably fall on it. Ready?
Ready.
Ready, go. Go.
I really don't want to break my neck. That way. Stop it. Move. Move.
Go to the other side of the room.
No, that's where the pee is. I ain't going in the pee-pee spot.
Oh.
Oh, that hurt really bad.
Are you okay?
No.